Welcome to the video explanation of fuel efficiency enhancing technologies. Fuel efficiency enhancing technologies are inventions such as an OBD communication device that connects to a port in a car through which smartphone apps can display engine performance. For illustration, an app known as Car Scanner is referred. In this video, the interface of a fuel management app is shown along with dash cam recording of the associated car. By default, all values are presented in white color over blue background. However, considering our aim, the three highly relevant cells can be customized. They are average fuel consumption, instantaneous fuel consumption, and the engine RPM. Green represents the desired value since it eventually leads to higher average fuel consumption. Generally, driving at lower engine RPM and higher gear results in higher average fuel consumption in terms of kilometers per liter. For manual vehicles, there is a possibility to get better mileage if vehicle is driven intelligently.